How to manage privacy and location setting in the Grindr. Alright, let's dive into how you can take the control of your privacy and location setting on the Grindr. It's super important to know what information you are sharing and who can see it. First things, let's talk about the incognito mode. This is probably the most powerful privacy tool Grindr offers. When you turn incognito mode on, your profile won't show up in the grid for the people who haven't messaged or liked it. Think of it as being invisible until you decide to make a move. To turn it on, what you have to do is simply tap on your profile picture at the top left corner over here. Give it a tap and there you can see an option called incognito just beside the online. Simply tap on it and you are ready to go. However, in my case, I'm using the free version of the Grindr app, so this plan is not available for the free users and I may not be able to show you the rest process because of this. However, that's the process. Next, let's discuss about location. Grindr user use location to show you guys who are nearby, but you don't always want to show your exact spot, right? That's where location setting come in. You can choose to update your location manually or let the app do it automatically. For better privacy, you can set your location to a specific place like a general area or a city instead of your precise live location. This is usually managed within the app setting under location and privacy. Let's go through that too. Scroll down and there you can see an option for the setting. Give it a tap and scroll down until you can see an option called location. It's right over here and there you can see an home option which is not set yet. If you had set it earlier, you'd see your location right over here. Simply tap on it and from here you can change your current location. So that's how you can manage the location too. All in all, this is how you can manage the privacy and location setting on Grindr. I hope this video was helpful. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll be seeing you in the next video.